What's up, guys? We're back in the garage tonight working on the Fiesta. We are gonna install a little bit of love from Ron at Whoosh. We got some gel badges here. Got three of them, one for the back hatch, one for the front, and one for the steering wheel. So the old goat is going away. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get a little bit of heat on your existing badge if you have them. If not, just warm up the spot a little bit, and we're going to rubber down with some rubbing alcohol. Alright, our area is nice and clean and prepped. We're going to get the new one put on. Alright, got the new one on. Took a little bit of tedious planning, and man, that Ford coloring is an exact match. Isn't that right? Yes. Alright, we're going to do the steering wheel and then the back. We are in the interior of the car now, and I have got this emblem cleaned off, and if I need to, I can show how to put some alcohol on a rag and wipe it off, but I'm sure you guys probably know how to do that. We're going to get this applied. Alright, that was easier. Had to use a second hand. She's on. Okay, complete and utter fail moment. I got to the back of the car and realized because of the Cruise Sport wiper delete panel, it has no Ford badge. So, it's going to get one anyway. Give me just a second. I'm going to do some centering and we'll go from there. Alright, so the car that did not have a Ford emblem before has a Ford emblem now. So it's not perfect because I didn't really have anything to go off of, but it's on. Alright guys, we are finished up with the install of the 3-piece gel badge set from Whoosh. The color is spot on. Install was super easy. Just peeled the old ones up with a pocket screwdriver or something of that nature. As you can see, the color match is perfect. Looks really good. Even the puppy agrees. This does the front bumper, the steering wheel, and the back hatch. See the steering wheel badge there? Looks really good. And, my car has a Cruise Sport hatch panel that gets rid of the wiper blade, so we custom placed ours. So that is it. Install takes about 5 minutes, 10 if you're slow like me. And, shot of them big old meaty Toyos on there. But yeah, everything went really well. The biggest part is make sure to clean with rubbing alcohol between taking them off and putting the new ones on, or if you don't have any before. If you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to shoot me a message.